Are you ready to uncover your lingering questions about coconut oil sugar scrubs, especially if you're a woman with dry eczema or anti-aging skincare needs? And make sure you stick around till question number 10 at the end to find out this super common question I hear a lot. Yes, because it's sugar-based, it's very gentle on the skin and it helps remove the buildup of dull, dry skin cells, and to gently remove dull, dry skin on the face, and then to also moisturize at the same time with organic, cold-pressed virgin coconut oil, which is ideal for dry, sensitive eczema skin, and for those of us that are looking for anti-aging benefits, because coconut oil is naturally loaded with vitamins and nutrients and antioxidants that will help your skin to repair its skin barrier and to keep it more youthful and plump and nourished looking short-term and long-term without any side effects. One other thing to note is if you are layering other products on top of it, to keep the similar ingredient-based skincare products on your face, especially because that's where breakouts are more likely to happen. So things to consider are avoid alcohols, fragrances, anything that's not natural that can cause breakouts to happen, because your skin is a living, breathing organ and it does know the difference between natural and unnatural products when you're using them both together on your skin. Does it leave a tacky film or a weird greasy feeling on your skin afterwards? No, this will leave your skin really soft and silky smooth, feeling super hydrated and looking nourished and youthful and glowing, a look that we all are looking for, especially as we age. The nice thing with this is it's completely customizable. It won't melt before you can put it onto your skin, and it won't melt too fast either, but it's not too abrasive. It's kind of like a unicorn of sugar scrubs because it's the perfect blend of sugar and coconut oil. So that way the sugar gives you a nice deep scrub. If that's what you're looking for, you can put it on your skin when it's dry. You can use it in the shower. You can melt it down before you apply it to your skin. So if you want to use the exfoliator on your face, but you don't want to use it because you're too worried about it being too abrasive, you can melt it between your hands before you apply it to your face, or you can add a little extra water and then rub it around and melt it down so that way it's semi-exfoliating and then put it on your skin. It's totally customizable, which is the beautiful about it. You can cater it to your skincare needs. Yes, I've been using it daily myself for the last 11 years. I have really sensitive, dry, flaky skin on my face and I break out easily. So this is the best of both worlds. It doesn't cause breakouts. It leaves the skin hydrated and glowing and shining and more youthful as I get older. I just turned 40, so it has definitely helped with the anti-aging factor, but also keeping the dry, flaky skin at bay. In fact, there's a customer that's been using it every day for the last several years, and she's in her 50s. She looks amazing. You can check it out there. So it is oil-based, but it is a 50-50 mix. So it's not like this runny, oily mixture, unless it's super hot where you live and it's hot in your bathroom, then that could happen, but it's not an oil mix mess that you have to be super worried about. If you're worried about leaving oil in the shower after you've used the product, there's two things that you can do. One, and they're super quick and easy, I promise. It's one of them that I do myself, is I have a pre-mixed one of those shower scrub, is a dish scrub with the handle. It's a 50-50 mix of dishwasher soap and vinegar. You just simply just give the tub a quick swish. It literally takes like 5 seconds. Or you can keep a spray bottle in your shower to just spray the floor down and then just let it sit and eat up any oil that's on the shower tub, and that'll help keep your shower clean longer in between cleanings, so that way it's a win-win situation. Your skin is hydrated and moisturized and nourished, and your shower is clean after you've used it. I've heard a number of different ways of using it from customers, and then I have my method, so I'm going to share both with you. You can put it on your skin dry if you want, and then rinse it off. If you want like a really good deep scrub, like especially for say like your feet, especially in the summertime, you can put it on dry and then rinse it off. I like to use it when I'm in the shower because my skin's already wet. It just makes it really quick and easy. Just scoop it up and massage it on, starting at my face, working my way all the way down, and then rinse and pat dry. That makes a big difference to pat dry afterwards. And I like to use it after I've used my soap. So I wash, rinse that off, and then I put on the exfoliator, rinse that off, in the pat dry. It's quick, it's easy, but it's efficient, and it keeps your skin hydrated and moisturized all day long, which is awesome. Customer described it as a whipped coconut cream. It's a nice, thick, creamy consistency. If it's hard, like especially if it's sitting on a tile shower, just use a spoon to scoop it up. Coconut oil reacts to the heat or the cold. If it gets cold, it gets hard. If it's hot, it turns into a liquid because it is a virgin cold pressed coconut oil. So it still has the vitamins and the nutrients in it, but you can easily scoop it up using your fingers, or you can use a spoon, whichever is better for you. Or if you have a manicure and you don't want to get product under your nails, then definitely use a spoon. I will link one of my favorite spoons down below. You can get it on Amazon. It's stainless steel. It comes in multiple different colors so it can fit your aesthetic. And it's dishwasher safe, so it's easy to clean in between uses or in between jars. But that's what I definitely recommend. So yes, you are going to want to use it in the shower or at the sink, whichever is more convenient for you. And you do want to rinse it off when you're done. And again, make sure you pat dry afterwards. That is to keep the moisture on your skin. You're not going to be left with so much oil on your skin that you're going to feel like rubbery, greasy, like an oil slick. You're not going to feel like it's transferring to your towels and not absorbing in, and then you can't use anything else as a moisturizer after the fact. This just soaks in really fast and leaving you super smooth with just a layer of oil on your skin that helps your skin, especially if you're dry eczema skin, to feel really moisturized and nourished after using it. And it's not going to leave you feeling rubbery or dry or itchy after use. So this is like you are going to look forward to using it every single day in your shower because it smells exactly like a spa with this fresh cut coconuts and fresh herbal and aromatic essential oils, because that's what the scent comes from. No funky chemical smell or toxic scent that you're thinking, I don't want to smell this. What am I inhaling? None of that. It's all fresh, organic smelling scents that are naturally derived. There's no added artificial fragrances, which is something that you definitely want to stay away from. So these, you can breathe it in happily and enjoy the scents and the benefits that comes from the scent of the essential oils and organic coconut oil. I get this question a lot in person, and I see it online a lot too, is will it gunk up your razor? So I have these razors. I'll show a picture of it. I get these ones from Costco. They're very inexpensive. I get that you don't want to gunk up your razor. It's annoying. So I have a tip for you. When you are using a coconut oil sugar scrub to shave with, which I highly suggest, especially if you're prone to razor burn, itchy skin after you shave, red dots after you shave, using something like this will help prevent all of that. It'll give you a smooth, close shave, and your skin will feel hydrated and moisturized and nourished after shaving. So what you want to do to avoid it from gunking up your razor, all you want to do is put your razor under running hot water in between each swipe. So literally you just take your razor and make a swipe, rinse it real good, and then shave again, and just repeat that back and forth. I can get away with using my razors. They're inexpensive, like I said, and then your skin is also left feeling hydrated and pampered after you shaved and not feeling like, what just happened? If you found this content helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe so that way other people with dry eczema and anti-aging skin can see these types of videos too, to help them also. And then make sure to watch this video next, where this customer gives her testimony about how she uses a coconut oil sugar scrub in her daily skincare routine for the last 5+ years. And she's in her 50s and she looks amazing for it.